Hello students, today we will discuss chapter 2 power play page number 29. In that first they have given consider the following general forms we have identified. In that 3 exponential laws are given. First one is n raised to a multiplied with n raised to b that is equal to n raised to a plus b. That is exponential multiplication. If the base is same, here base is n, here also base is n. So for multiplication of exponential numbers, we have to add the power. So here first one power is a, second one power is b. So a plus b. For multiplication, add the power. And for division, here it is division. For division, we have to do subtraction of powers when only the base is same. Okay. And the second one given is n raised to a whole raised to b. That is power of a power. Already power of n is a. Then again one more power. That is why it is called the power of a power rule. And n raised to a whole raised to b, that is same as n raised to a whole raised to b. That is same as n raised to b whole raised to a. And the answer is multiply both the powers. That is n raised to a into b. A into b and b into a are same. So in both the cases, answer is multiply these powers. That is n raised to a into b, not a plus b, a into b. So this, after giving these 3 exponential laws, it is given, we had required a and b to be counting numbers. Counting numbers means that normal counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. are called counting numbers. Now their question is, can a and b be any integers? It can be integers. Here in the following questions you can see the instead of a, that the power can be negative also. So it can be any integer also. Will the generalized form still hold true? Of course it will true. That is when the power for multiplication, if the base is same, in that case also add the power. And for division also, if base is same, add the power. If a is positive or negative, whatever it may be, first power minus second power. So it will hold true. So we can write the answer yes. It's true. If it is positive or negative, then all the cases it is true. Next question, write equivalent forms of the following. N raised to minus a. Anytime if the power is negative, you can make it positive by taking it like this in the denominator, 1 by n raised to a. Here power is negative and that power you can make positive by writing 1 by n raised to a. Suppose if it is coming like this, 4 raised to 2 multiplied with the 2 raised to minus a. This type of question you can write like this, 4 raised to 2 divided by 2 raised to a. Because 2 raised to minus a, first we will make the power positive. For making the power positive, we can take it on the denominator. Or if you are writing 4 square into 1 by 2 raised to a, then it become 4 square. 4 square into 1 is 4 square divided by 2 raised to a. Now come to the first question, 2 raised to minus 4. Equivalent form we have to write. That means you have to make the power positive. So you can write it as 1 by 2 raised to 4. Now the next one, 10 raised to minus 5, you can write 1 by 10 raised to 5. Now the third one, minus 7 whole raised to minus 2. So 1 by, here power only become positive, not the number. Minus 7 is minus 7 itself. Power only will change. So minus 2 become plus 2. Majority of the children will write here plus 7. That is wrong. Only power will change. Sign of the power will change. And the next one, minus 5 whole raised to minus 3, just like the above question. It also 1 by minus 5 whole raised to 3. Power only will change. And this one, 10 raised to minus 100 is 1 by 10 to the power 100. These are the answers of that 1 to 5 questions. Now the next question, simplify and write the answer in exponential form. Here the first question, that is 2 raised to minus 4 multiplied with the 2 raised to 7. So here I will write the answer here, 2 raised to minus 4 multiplied with the 2 raised to 7. So this we can write as 2 raised to 7. Power is positive, so it will keep like this. And 2 raised to minus 4, we can write 1 by 2 raised to 4. So 2 raised to 4 will come in the denominator. Now this you can write 2 raised to 7, you can write 2 7 times. 2 multiplied by itself 7 times, and 2 raised to 4 4 times. So when you cancel all this, first 2, second 2, third, fourth. So remaining is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 cube. This is the first method. Or second method is here. Second method also you can do, but normally students are making mistake this second method, because see 2 raised to minus 4 multiplied with the 2 raised to 7. So base is same. For multiplication, add the power. So we can write 2 raised to minus 4 plus 7. So here you see one number negative, one number positive. So subtract and put the sign of big number. If one number is negative and one number is positive, subtract and put the sign of big number. So 7 minus 4 is 3. So you can write 2 raised to 3. And sign of big number. Here when minus 4 and 7 is taking, 7 is the big number and its sign is positive. So 2 raised to 3 is the answer. This is the second method. The problem is that when you are doing for the exam, majority students, because I was teaching for 25 years, I saw majority of the students make mistake here. So I am preferring the first method. Now second question. That is second question I will write here, 3 square multiplied with the 3 raised to minus 5 multiplied with the 3 raised to 6. And here also whatever the positive numbers, positive powers, that numbers will keep on the numerator, and 3 raised to minus 5 we can take in the denominator. So here 3 square, that is 3 into 3, then 3 raised to 6, 3 will repeat 6 times, 2, 4, 6. Now divided by 3 raised to 5, that means 3 is repeating 5 times. Now we can do the cancelling, 3 and 3 cancel, again 3 and 3, 3 and 3, 3 and 3. So remaining is 3 is repeating 3 times. So answer will be 3 raised to 3. And here also second method you can apply. Those who want to do in second method, they can do. That is 3 square multiplied with 3 raised to minus 5 multiplied with 3 raised to 6. Here base is same. So for multiplication, add the power. So 2 plus minus 5 plus 6. So 3 raised to 2 plus minus 5. One number positive, one number negative. So subtract. 5 minus 2 is 3 and the sign of the big number is negative. Now minus 3 plus 6. Here 2 plus minus 5 separately I am writing, that is answer is minus 3. Now minus 3 plus 6. Here also one number negative, one number positive. So subtract. Now and put the sign of big number. So 3 raised to 3. That is the answer. So any of the two method you can choose. Now next question. P cube multiplied with p raised to minus 10. And here if second method, if here or first method we can start. That is p cube by p raised to 10. Minus 10 you can make it positive by taking to the denominator. Now p cube is p into p into p. Now we can cancel 1p. Now second p, third p. So from 10, 3 get cancelled. So this answer become 1 by, here nothing is not there, that means 1. 1 by, from 10p, 3p got cancelled. So 7p is remaining. So you can write it as 1 by p raised to 7, or you can write it as p raised to minus 7. That is the first method. And the second method. The same question, second method. P raised to 3 multiplied with the p raised to minus 10. Then for multiplication, add the power. So 3 plus minus 10. That means p raised to minus 7. Subtract and put the sign of big number. Now next one. That is question number 4. That is 2 raised to 4 multiplied with minus 4 whole raised to minus 2. So this equal to, we can write 2 raised to 4. Since the power is negative, it will come in the denominator. Minus 4 whole square. Or this we can write it as 2 raised to 4 is 2 is repeating 4 times. And minus 4 whole square. That means minus 4 is repeating 2 times. Or here 2 into 2. That is 4, and from this 1 4. So here it is minus 1. Now here also 2 into 2 4, and here also 4. So here also minus 1 is left. So final answer, if nothing full get cancelled, means there is 1 only. 1 divided by minus 1 into minus 1, that means plus 1. Or final answer 1. Last question. 8 raised to p multiplied with 8 raised to q. 8 raised to q. Here we can write 8 raised to p plus q. That is the answer. I hope all of you understood all these questions. Okay, let's continue in the next video.